Did you know that over the past 5 years, online searches for the carnivore diet have skyrocketed by more than 500%? This isn't just a fleeting trend. It's a significant shift in how many people approach their health and nutrition. The carnivore diet, focusing exclusively on animal products, is gaining immense popularity for its reported benefits. From weight loss to improved energy and even relief from chronic conditions, people are finding success by simplifying their plates. But like any dietary approach, knowing where to start and what to prioritize can make all the difference. It's not just about eating meat, it's about eating the right meat. Embarking on a carnivore diet can feel liberating, but it also comes with its unique set of challenges. Many beginners struggle with nutrient deficiencies if they don't choose a variety of animal foods. Others face issues like digestive upset or a lack of energy during the initial adaptation phase. The key to long-term success isn't just willpower, it's strategic food choices. Understanding which foods provide the most comprehensive nutrition and support your body's transition is crucial. That's why we're going to dive into the 8 essential foods that can truly boost your carnivore journey. Let's break down the foundational foods that will set you up for thriving on the carnivore diet. These aren't just any animal products, they are nutrient powerhouses designed to support your health. Incorporating these regularly will help you overcome common hurdles and feel your best. Beef is often the cornerstone of a carnivore diet, and for good reason. Fatty cuts like ribeye, chuck roast, and brisket provide ample energy and satiety. They are rich in monounsaturated and saturated fats, which are crucial for hormone production and cellular health. These cuts also deliver essential micronutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins. Prioritizing fat over lean protein helps prevent protein overconsumption, which can be taxing on the body. It also ensures you stay full and energized throughout the day. Eggs are incredibly versatile and nutrient-dense, making them a carnivore diet staple. They offer a complete protein profile, containing all 9 essential amino acids. Eggs are also packed with choline, vital for brain health and liver function. The yolks are particularly rich in vitamins A, D, E, and K2, along with beneficial antioxidants. Incorporating eggs daily can provide a wide spectrum of nutrients in an easily digestible form. They are an affordable and convenient source of high-quality nutrition. While beef often takes center stage, don't overlook the power of fatty fish like wild-caught salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These fats are crucial for reducing inflammation and supporting heart and brain health. Wild-caught salmon also provides a good amount of vitamin D, which is often deficient in modern diets. Its rich nutrient profile makes it a fantastic addition for overall well-being. Aim for a few servings per week to reap its unique benefits. This might be the most impactful category for overall nutrient density. Organ meats, particularly beef liver, are nature's multivitamins. Liver is exceptionally rich in vitamin A, B vitamins, iron, copper, and folate. Just a small serving of liver can provide more nutrients than many supplements. Incorporating organ meats regularly can prevent nutrient deficiencies and boost energy levels. Don't be afraid to experiment with different preparation methods to make them palatable. Healthy fats are paramount on a carnivore diet, and butter or ghee are excellent choices. They provide concentrated energy and are rich in fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K2. Grass-fed butter in particular contains conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, which has potential health benefits. These fats are easily digestible and can enhance the flavor of your meals. They help you meet your energy needs without relying on excessive protein. Use them generously in cooking or as a topping for your meats. For those who love savory, crispy textures, pork belly and bacon can be a delicious addition. These fatty cuts of pork provide a significant energy boost and are incredibly satisfying. They are also a good source of B vitamins and selenium. When choosing bacon, look for varieties with minimal or no added sugars and nitrates. These foods can help keep your meals interesting and prevent monotony. Enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced carnivore approach. While not a solid food, bone broth is an invaluable component of a successful carnivore diet. It's rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glycine and proline. These compounds are fantastic for gut health, joint support, and skin elasticity. Bone broth can also help replenish electrolytes, which is especially important during the initial adaptation phase. Sipping on warm bone broth can be incredibly soothing and nourishing. Make your own or choose high-quality, unsalted varieties. Lamb is another excellent red meat option that offers a slightly different nutrient profile than beef. It's rich in iron, zinc, selenium, and B vitamins, similar to beef. However, lamb also provides a good amount of omega-3 fatty acids, especially if it's grass-fed. Its distinct flavor can add variety to your meals, preventing calorie fatigue. Lamb is highly digestible for many people and can be a great alternative if you're looking to diversify your protein sources. Don't hesitate to explore different cuts like chops or roasts. Now, out of these 8 incredible foods, which one holds the most power to truly boost your carnivore success? If I had to pick just one, it would undoubtedly be organ meats, especially liver. While all these foods are vital, liver stands out as an unparalleled nutritional powerhouse. Its concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and unique compounds can fill nutritional gaps that might otherwise arise. Prioritizing liver ensures you're getting the broadest spectrum of nutrients, supporting everything from energy production to immune function. It's the ultimate secret weapon for thriving on a carnivore diet. So there you have it, the 8 essential foods that can transform your carnivore diet journey. By focusing on fatty cuts of beef, eggs, wild-caught salmon, organ meats, butter or ghee, pork belly, bone broth, and lamb, you're setting yourself up for success. Remember, variety within the animal kingdom is key to comprehensive nutrition. These foods provide the energy, protein, and micronutrients your body needs to thrive without plant-based foods. They help address common challenges and support your body's adaptation to this unique way of eating. It's about nourishing your body deeply and simply. What are your go-to carnivore foods? Share your experiences and favorite meals in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And if you're curious about how to troubleshoot common issues on the carnivore diet, make sure to check out our next video on that very topic. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.